today's video, I'm going to unbox a new, I don't know, new toy. So I bought this intentionally because there's some people who's been asking me if I can make this, and you know, they can buy. So I'm going to unbox my new friends in the business, new additional friend in the business. So I would like to present to you my new friend. Hold on. It's a sewing machine from Brother. I know it's a sewing machine. The brand is Brother, and it's only $79. So I would like to open this with you guys in front of me, watching this, and let's get into this box. So let me show you what's in here. So the brand is Brother and model LX3817. It's a lightweight full-size sewing machine. It's basically it's basic machine. So this one is perfect for the number one necessities. The number one necessity for now, which is the face mask. So these are the use. This is the description of each function. I mean, this is the function of each part that's in here. And then on the side, it says the accessories that's included. And then this one is the front. You know, the machine, that what looks like. It has 17 stitches, 1 steps auto size buttonhole. I guess this is the one for the botones. In Filipino, botones, button. And then forced sewing fit included. Hold on. So first, there's like four kinds of accessories here, and I don't know what are these. I saw there's a needle here, but I'll try to figure it out later. So there's a manual here, and I guess the warranty. Wow!
Ganda.
Diyos ko Lord, paano ko to aanuhin? So I guess this one is the outlet, since this one is electric.
Ganda.
A pedal, you have to press this if you're going to run the needle here. Oh, okay. Akala ko may pinipinir. It has like 17 kind of stitches. So you can probably just turn this if you want to pick the number 10. That one. See? If you want the number 11 or the number 12. Diba? And then this one, I don't know yet.
That's to turn it on.
So here's the quick reference guide. I guess okay, so there's an instruction over here. The thread at the bottom, I guess it's inside here. That's why it's called lower threading. And then the upper threading, you're gonna put it here.
Okay.
You know, one of this
Kasi
things
dalawa
here.
ang threads mo.
So you can choose one. So there's an instruction. You can follow that instruction. And then this functions are upper thread tension control. And then the next one is the free arm for sewing cuff and sleeves. Oh, this one, I guess. The other function here is easy bobbin winder. I This one is the different kind of stitches you want. The other one is reverse. Oh, when you do reverse, when you do like when you put like this one, the fabric, when you're gonna, if it's here, you have to turn it like this. So it will reverse. And then there's light at the bottom, the LED, so you can see it.
Okay.
And then the one that I like is there's a handle here, the back, and the power button is here. So
reverse pala yun.
yeah, so this is only $79 in Walmart. So if you like to order, you can order it now, but usually it's out of stock because of a lot of people making a mask right now, face mask. So I guess that's it for today. I have this, the pedal, I have this, and I have to figure it out how to use this, how to put this in this machine, and I have the instructions. So okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you'd like this video, don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification. Thank you for watching. Bye.